Guys, so today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my baby girl's nursery. I've been promising this for like over a year now, so here it is. Her nursery is Rapunzel themed or Tangled themed. And so I'm just going to show you guys kind of an overview first, and then I will go into the details of it. Her room is very, very small in this house, but we are in the process of moving, so I wanted to get this filmed because we are already starting to pack things up, and this will be the last time it looks like this. So starting off with her crib, she does have it's not really white, it kind of looks white in the picture, but it's kind of an off-white, almost like an ivory color. This is the same crib that we actually used for our oldest daughter. It is such a beautiful, beautiful crib. I love it so much. I have not stopped loving it since we bought it like 6 years ago. It is a convertible crib. It converts into a toddler bed with rail, without rail, and then also a full-size bed, so this will probably be Dalen's bed for a very long time. It is from Nebraska Furniture Mart. I'm not sure if you guys have that store, but we got it with a matching dresser that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. And then hanging above the crib, I have this little name sign that I actually made on my channel. I will have this tutorial linked in the description box below. But I just added some flowers and painted the name gold to kind of emulate that Rapunzel type of look. And then her next to her bed, like on the next wall, I do have these 3 shelves, which I'm going to give you guys kind of a close-up on now. These wooden shelves I actually got from Hobby Lobby for a really good price, and they are very solid. Some Hobby Lobby shelves are not the best, but these ones I really liked, and I did stain them to be kind of a light wood color. On this top shelf I have a golden letter for her name that I got from Michael's, and then I also have a beautiful Rapunzel Jim Shore that my best friend Erica got for me, and then I found this sign at Hobby Lobby that says "Chase Your Dreams," which I thought of course is perfect for Rapunzel, and it had these really beautiful flowers underneath it. On the second shelf, I have this little nightlight that I made to look like the magic flower in Rapunzel. Another beautiful Jim Shore. This one was gifted to me by my friend Kat over at Perfectly Cat. And then I have these rather tall candlesticks. And then these are from Hobby Lobby. No, sorry. The candlesticks are from Michael's. And then the candles, the yellow candles on top, are actually from Hobby Lobby. And then on the third bottom shelf, I have these little fake storage books from Hobby Lobby, a little tiara that's Rapunzel's tiara from the Disney store that was actually Cala's, and then I have this painting that my grandmother painted. I was so happy when I realized that this was a good fit in this room. And then I have this little white lantern that I got from Hobby Lobby. The tiara is actually really nice and kind of high quality looking, considering it was like $14 or something. And then this painting actually has flowers on it that match another decor piece in the room that I am going to show you guys. And then this is what the wall looks like kind of as a whole. And underneath these shelves I have a little rocking chair that we got again from Nebraska Furniture Mart. It was like the most affordable chair. We used it in Callow's room, and then we're using it again in Dalen's room. And then this beautiful crocheted blanket that you guys are seeing was actually made by one of my students' parents. Fun fact, my husband taught this student, and then I taught this student. Actually, Sarah, if you're watching, because she's subscribed to my channel, thank you for the blanket. It's gorgeous. It's everything I could have wanted for her room. And it's just beautiful. And then next to the chair, I do have this little basket that I got from Hobby Lobby that I just fill with books for, you know, nighttime, bedtime reading. I really like it because it's sturdy, but it's also soft, and I liked these little rope handle accents on the side. They did have it in a couple different sizes, but I got the larger size. Then on the other side of the chair, I have her dresser. This is the matching dresser to the bed, but I did change out the top handles on the dresser with some ones from Hobby Lobby, because when I saw these, I was so excited. They are like yellow flowers with a purple center, and if that is not made for a Rapunzel room, I don't know what is. So I did swap out the top knobs for these. And then I just kind of want to give you guys an overview to what we've seen so far. I am going to show you what's on the dresser next. And then I wanted to show you her rug. I did get this rug from overstock.com, I believe. This is her lamp, and this might be my favorite thing in the whole room. I did make this myself. I bought the lamp off Amazon. It's just plain, and then I cut a stencil from my Silhouette using just like Silhouette brand stencil material, and then I used the stencil to paint on the sun and the pattern. And then I bought a flickering flame light bulb from Amazon and put that inside, and that's what kind of makes it look like a lantern. And then above the lantern I have this mirror that actually was originally like a pewter color from Hobby Lobby, and then I just taped off the mirror part and painted it, spray painted it gold, and then used a little bit of acrylic paint to give it some more detail so that it didn't look so one-toned. I didn't make tutorials on the lantern or the mirror. I'm sorry guys, it just seems so like one-step process to me that I didn't think I needed to. But if you need any help making this stuff, just let me know, and of course I will help you guys. You can leave it for me in the comments or DM me on Instagram. And then I just have her little changing pad. I did get this little container, this little glass jar that's purple with a gold filigree on it. Is that the right word? Filigree? Sure. It's like a gilded quality from Hobby Lobby, and I keep her little hair comb in it. And then this little bow headband rack that I have is actually something that my mom makes. My mom has a store on Amazon, and she sells jewelry organizers and like headband scrunchie organizers, really anything you could want. So I will have her linked below because this thing is amazing. It stores everything, and it's just nice and simple and like compact. And then next to the dresser I have this Snuggly Duckling yarn string art sign that I did make, and I do have a tutorial for it. I will have that down in the description box below if you're wanting the tutorial for it. I love it. Honestly, I was very happy with how it came out. On the windows, I just got these yellow curtains from Amazon. They're not the best. I wish that they had a little bit more darkening quality, but, you know, you do what you can. And I did put a thicker curtain actually behind it. I just have them pushed to get some light in for filming. And then up on the top of the window, I have this garland that I got from Michael's. I think they're chrysanthemums, but they remind me of my grandmother's painting, is my personal favorite part. And the last thing I have to show you guys is actually not done. It's a chalkboard that's kind of arch shaped. I did show this in the haul of all this stuff when I bought it originally. I have painted a base coat on it, but my plan was to paint the mural from Tangled, the one that Rapunzel paints of her sitting in the tree looking at the lanterns, but I just have not been able to sit and do it. So right now it's a half-painted chalkboard. Anyway, that pretty much does it for the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions on how I did anything or where I got anything, just leave it for me in the comments below. And in the description box, I have tutorials for the things that I did make. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.